I'm doing good.
That's what's
Just
good.
want to come at y'all live and hit y'all with with the sneakers that are dropping in June. And also, we're going to do a little recap of this week's releases. So in case you don't know, breaking news, or at least I found out today that the Pine Greens are dropping the exclusive access on the
Mm.
25th of May on the Nike Sneakers app. According to Nike, you would have to have lost on the previously Pine Greens on the 21st of May. And then also, you would also had to buy at least one SB throughout the whole year. So those are the stipulations. And what we got tomorrow?
Wednesday the 24th, they got the sixes coming out, the Toro Bravo coming out. Colors are varsity, red and black. The asking price for those are going $200. Are you rocking them or
Mhm.
dropping those?
I'm dropping them only because, like, I think I can pick these up at a discount at the Nike outlets for cheaper. If you don't
Okay.
know, all of the sixes have been going below retail lately. I just picked up the Jordan 6 Electric Greens for 167, and I'm assuming that there are going to be plenty of these pairs, so I'll be able to get these down the line for like 150, 160. So I'm not. It's a drop for me.
Oh, okay. So the 1st of June, we got the threes coming out, the hide and seek. The colors of those are white, they're black with ash gray, and the asking price for those are 150, and they come out June 6th. Are you rocking or dropping those?
Unfortunately, I have to drop these also. I am a three man, but these are GS sizes only, so I'm not gonna be able to fit them.
I get it. I get it.
and
I get it.
these these are expected to sit as well. The iconic cement white just came out in grade school and men's. The men's pretty much sold out, but the grade school is pretty much sitting below retail. Size 6.5 wide is only going for $148. So if you're a small foot person or have kids, this is a great shoe. They'll be able to pick these up real easy. It does look a lot like the white cements,
Right.
but again, I think these are going to sit
And then it doesn't really make sense to have them come out June 6th when school's out.
true. And then also on top of that, Jordan just already released another colorway similar to that. So if those first ones sat, then I expect these to sit too.
All right. Well, June 8th, we got the fives coming out, the low, the indigo haze, right? The color of those is indigo haze and fire red metallic silver. Asking price for those are 180. You rocking or dropping those?
I am rocking these, but it's a pass for me only because I do not own any low fives. But this is a clean colorway, in my opinion. I think it'll be a nice shoe for women's. It does look like a women's shoe to me, but from what I see, this is actually a men's pair. But if you like purple, this will be a very nice shoe. Now, I think for the summertime, definitely if you got a girlfriend or something, this may be a shoe that you might want to pick up for her.
Yeah, but that to me, that looked more of a like a fall shoe than a summer shoe.
Yeah, I think it's like looks like a lavender to me. And it has cell hits on it, cell on the tongue.
Uh-huh.
And I think maybe if you put some cell lace in there and make the shoe pop even more, but again, because it's the low, it's dropping them.
Then rounding it up on June the 10th, we got the Wash Heritage, the ones. Color of those are black, fire red, light smoke gray. Asking price for those are 180. You rocking or dropping those?
I mean, I seem like I'm dropping everything on this list, but I'm probably dropping these as well only because I'm not a one person. But I tell you one thing that the resale on this shoe is looking very good right now. Uh, prices, size 10 and above, they're going anywhere from 270 to 260. So I think if you're trying to flip these, this will be a good. You want to rock these to flip them. Definitely, this is a good shoe to flip. But I mean, we are a little bit away from the drop. We still got like another 2 weeks before these actually come out. So prices could dip a little bit more, but right now they looking solid. But overall, when I'm looking at them, like if you look at different pictures, as we see on the screen from StockX, these look like more gray and white. And one
Right.
thing I do like about this is it does have the Nike Air red on the tongue tag. So I
Okay.
think that's definitely a plus. It does look like it has a cell midsole, which I think really helps the shoe with this reimagined thing going on that they're doing right now, this vintage look. I think a lot of people will like that. So only time will tell to see how these will really do once we get closer to the release.
You know me, I'm a one guy, so I can see me really rocking those. Watch Heritage, of course the grade school. I can't rock them. Years ago, I could, and the Toros, I like them. They're occasional shoe, not something that you want to sport often, but every blue moon. So I could see me rocking those as well.
All right, Sneakerhead, this is just a quick. I know we don't have a lot of heat for June, and it's looking kind of dry in June, but we just want to come out here and let you know what was dropping and what's coming soon. Make sure that you like content like this. Click this other video right here. Until next time, we'll see you.
Peace.